Imagine waking up every morning to skin that looks and feels 10 years younger, joints that move like they did in your 20s, and hair so thick and shiny, it feels like it belongs in a shampoo commercial. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that there's a secret ingredient from the depths of the ocean that could make this dream a reality? That secret is marine collagen. But here's the thing. Most people have never even heard of marine collagen, let alone know how to use it. And those who have? They're already reaping the benefits. Today, we're diving deep, pun intended, into the world of marine collagen. We'll explore what it is, why it's different from other types of collagen, and most importantly, how it can transform your skin, hair, nails, and even your joints into the best version of themselves. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll wonder why you didn't start using it sooner. Let's be honest, who hasn't stood in front of the mirror, dreading the sight of another wrinkle or another gray hair, or felt the frustration of stiff, aching joints that remind you every day that you're not getting any younger? It's a reality we all face, and it's easy to feel helpless as time takes its toll. But what if aging didn't have to mean losing your youthful glow? What if you could fight back against time with something as simple as a daily supplement? Enter marine collagen, a natural powerhouse that might just be the answer to all these woes. But before we dive into how it works, let's talk about what it is and why it's becoming the go-to supplement for those in the know. Marine collagen is a type of collagen derived from the skin, scales, and bones of fish, mainly cold water fish like cod, haddock, and salmon. But don't let the source fool you. This isn't just some fishy fad. Marine collagen is actually one of the most potent and bioavailable forms of collagen out there. Now you might be wondering, what even is collagen and why should you care? Well, collagen is the most abundant protein in our bodies. It's like the scaffolding that holds everything together: our skin, our bones, our muscles, and our connective tissues. As we age, our bodies naturally produce less collagen, and that's when things start to go south. Wrinkles, sagging skin, brittle hair, and yes, even those creaky joints. But here's the kicker. Marine collagen is particularly rich in type 1 collagen, which is the same type of collagen that makes up 70% of our skin. This means it's perfectly tailored to help replenish what time takes away. And because marine collagen has a smaller particle size compared to bovine or porcine collagen, it's absorbed more efficiently by our bodies, making it an ideal choice for those looking to maximize the benefits. Alright, so marine collagen sounds good on paper, but what does it actually do for you? Let's break it down into the benefits you'll notice when you start incorporating it into your daily routine. First up, skin health. This is where marine collagen truly shines. By boosting your body's collagen levels, it helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improve skin elasticity, and increase hydration. In fact, some studies suggest that marine collagen can even stimulate your skin's own collagen production, leading to long-term anti-aging effects. Imagine seeing smoother, firmer skin just weeks after starting your collagen regimen. But it doesn't stop there. Marine collagen also works wonders for your hair and nails. If you struggle with brittle nails that constantly chip, or hair that just won't seem to grow, marine collagen could be the solution you've been searching for. It strengthens the keratin in your hair and nails, leading to faster growth, less breakage, and a healthier overall appearance. Now let's talk joints and bones. If you're active or just starting to feel the effects of aging, marine collagen can help keep your joints flexible and pain-free. It supports the structure of your joints by replenishing the collagen that cushions them, reducing discomfort and stiffness. And because collagen is also a key component of your bones, marine collagen can help maintain bone density, lowering your risk of fractures as you age. Did you know marine collagen can also benefit your gut health? That's right. It can help repair the gut lining, which is crucial for those dealing with digestive issues like leaky gut syndrome. By strengthening the intestinal walls, marine collagen supports better digestion and nutrient absorption, helping you feel better from the inside out. So how do you get all these benefits? The good news is that marine collagen is incredibly easy to incorporate into your daily routine. It typically comes in the form of a fine, odorless, and tasteless powder, making it perfect to mix into your morning coffee, smoothie, or even your water. You can also find it in capsule or liquid form if that's more your style. I started using marine collagen about 6 months ago, and I've seen a noticeable difference, not just in my skin, but in my overall health. My skin feels plumper, my hair is thicker, and those random joint pains I used to get, they're practically gone. And it's not just me. Thousands of people are discovering the life-changing benefits of marine collagen every day. Now, before you rush out to buy the first marine collagen you find, let's talk about sustainability. The demand for marine collagen has skyrocketed, and unfortunately, not all sources are created equal. The best marine collagen comes from sustainably sourced fish, with strict quality controls to ensure you're getting a pure, high-quality product. Look for brands that are transparent about their sourcing and manufacturing processes. This isn't just about your health, it's about the health of our oceans too. By now, you might have some questions, like, is marine collagen safe for everyone? Or, what if I'm allergic to fish? Great questions. Marine collagen is generally safe for most people, but if you have a fish or shellfish allergy, it's best to avoid it. Also, while most people tolerate it well, some might experience minor digestive issues, especially at higher doses. As with any supplement, it's a good idea to start with a lower dose and gradually increase it as your body adjusts. And for those of you who might be skeptical, thinking, is this just another health fad? I hear you. But here's the thing. Marine collagen is backed by science. Numerous studies have shown its effectiveness in improving skin elasticity, reducing joint pain, and supporting overall health. It's not a miracle cure, but it's a powerful tool you can use to support your body's natural processes. Ready to give marine collagen a try? Start small. Incorporate it into your daily routine, track your progress, and see how your body responds. You might be surprised at how quickly you notice the benefits. And remember, consistency is key. The best results come from making it a part of your daily wellness routine. Have you tried marine collagen before? What were your results? Or maybe you're just getting started. Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your stories and answer any questions you might have. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content on how to live your healthiest, happiest life. And hey, share this video with a friend who might need a little collagen boost. They'll thank you later.